magani. Name? Hi guys, so I'm back to my channel, and for this video I'm gonna cook another Indonesian snack or Indonesian food. Yesterday someone made a comment on my previous video, which is the kolak. He said, "Hi Kelvin, try to find about perkedel. It made from potato and cook it for us." So I searched in the internet what is perkedel, and I just found out that the Bahasa term for potato is kentang. The full name of the dish is perkedel kentang. Perkedel kentang in English, it is an Indonesian potato fritters. It is a side dish, everyday side dish in Indonesian, and it's popular for lunch, dinner, or even a snack. So based on the look of perkedel kentang, I think it's good as snack. Interestingly, the name perkedel is derived from frikandel, a Dutch term for a deep-fried minced meat patties. So these are the ingredients of perkedel kentang. So I have here small potatoes. Small potatoes because I just only found small potatoes in the market. So I have no choice but to buy this one. But I will not be using only 3. I think I will be using about 10 small potatoes. Then also I have here garlic. And I think I will be using 4 cloves of garlic. Then I have here a medium-sized onions. I will chop this later. Then in perkedel kentang, they use the celery, but I don't have the celery because it is not a quite popular ingredient here in the Philippines. Usually we use spring onions. So aside from those, we need some seasoning like the salt, pepper, and I will be using an instant seasoning just to enhance the flavor of my perkedel kentang. Without much further ado, let's start the cooking. Okay guys, so this is the full ingredients. So I have here the potatoes. So this is cut into halves. Then you have the cooking oil. Then this is pepper. This is salt. Then I have 2 eggs. Then you have sugar. Then this is seasoning, chopped onions, chopped garlic. Then for the greens, we have spring onions. So hi guys, I'm done cooking and now I'm trying my PERKEDEL. Hi guys, I am done cooking and now I'm going to try my PERKEDEL. And now I'm going to try my PERKEDEL Kentang. Yeah. And its texture is kind of smooth. It is crispy outside but it's smooth inside because of that mashed potato. And I could smell also the aroma of the fried garlic and onions. Okay, let's try this now. Oh good. Yeah. Yeah. The taste is just perfect. You can really taste the onions and garlic. And it's kind of crispy outside but very soft inside. Yeah, it's very good. It's good for snack and also for your meal, like the breakfast and the lunch. Yeah. Good. That's inside. It's very smooth. Good. Yung sa lasa.
So yummy. Lami kaya.
Uli na!
Pagani.
Ya,
Lami dili.
masarap. Okay, kayo.
Lami.
Masarap. Very delicious.
Hi guys, so it's so good and the people around here likes the food. And there's a really big difference if you fry the onions and garlic, then pound, rather than you put the pounded fresh garlic and onions. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button for notification of comments, suggestions, or recommendations. You may write down in the comment section below. To see you in my next food trip. Bye bye!